Hello, Owen. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over Painkiller by Judas Priest. We'll start with all the stuff before the first solo. So to start off, do a little mute, 23rd fret, or the 22nd here, B and G string, bend that up, and then also do a whammy bar dive. Alright, so now after that, we go to the main riff. We go 7, it'll be 7, 5, 7, 8, 7, 3, 0. And 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. So. Now we just add the palm mutes in between, and I go down, up, down. So for the zeros on the low E string, I go up, down. Right, next part. So here, just zeros on the A string, pretty fast. We go power chord 0, 2, the A and D string, 5, 7, 3, 5, 2, 4. We go 0, 2, all the way to 5, 7, and then back, back. For the next part, we go forward, forward, forward. So. Next part. So there's that. So, and then it goes back to the main riff, and then it comes back to the chorus thing, and then we go to the very difficult part right here, especially when you add the pinch harmonics. The hardest part here is transitioning from the 2nd fret palm mute on the A string to the 3rd fret, and then back to the 2nd fret. So right here and here, those were my problem areas when doing this one. So I would say first get to here. So 4 on the D string, back to 2 on the A. And I go down, up, down. Same thing with like the main riff. That's adding the 5 and 4 on the G string. And that's with the pinch harmonics. And then you add a single 2. And then you go 4, 5, 4. That's up to here. And now, so get that part down. We'll add up to here. So that's just 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 4. One more time. So if you can see, it goes 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4. Then so it's pretty much 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Boom, boom. 4, and then back down to 5. But this is with the 3rd fret all muted. So I would say get all the way up to that 5 on the G string. And then right after you get all the way up to here, now we'll add the 3rd fret. So actually start with the 2nd fret here. So you can practice the transition right here. So 2, 5, 3, 3. And that's just practicing up to here. And so now that's up to this 4 right here. So 2, 5, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4. You take that part slowly, so learn all the way up to here, and then learn up to here. That'll make this a lot easier. And there I just played up to here. That was all of that. Now I'm gonna play from the 2, 5, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, back to the 2, 2, I'll go 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 4. Adding that. So. Oops. So just take that slowly, and then once you get to here, it's pretty much repeats. It's the same exact thing as what you just did, and you only have to do that a few times. So now, oh yeah, and also you can also do this section instead of the A, D, and G string. You can do it here on the low E, A, and D string. If that one's better, it's from here to there. And take a look at that. But I like doing it up here on the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, the A string. There's that. Next part, go up to here, because it's pretty much the exact same thing. So you do 2 on the low E string, palm muted. 3, 5, 3, 5. 3, 5, 5, 7. And that repeats. Next part, 5s. And now 6, 8, 6, 8, and then 6, 8, 8, 10. And that repeats. And then it repeats. Here it goes. And now we get to the fast part before the solo. So it starts slow and then gets really fast. So palm muted, it'll be like this, 5, 6, 8. And then the sweep pick section, unpalm muted. And then into the fun palm muted section, or a sweep picking section. So there's that up until the solo. We'll go over the solo next week. And then also, don't forget to practice Afterlife, that solo. So. Remember to play that one, get that down. And then 5, 6, slide to 13. 15. 17. And I like doing 5, 17, and then to the 18 bin instead of the guitar one that does the 13, 15, 17. I like doing the guitar 2 higher pitched one. Oops. And now to the 13. Actually, let me do those fast sections with the sweep picks again. So it's the 17, 16, 15, 13. And then 15, 14, 15, 17. So I think that one's the hardest one. And now 18, 17, 16, 15, backward, forward, back. 13, 10, same sweep pick. So slide to the 17, and it's 15, 15, 15. 13, 18. With a little bend there. And last one. That one's with the stretch in between the middle finger and the ring finger, and the pinky's right next to the ring finger. So that one a little bit faster. One more time. And now the 10, 13 to 15. And then 13 on the B string. Now this 15, 13, 17. Then 18, 17, 15 on both strings, high E and B string. 17, 15, 13 on both strings. So one more time. And then 14, 12, 10. Slide to 18. And then back to 14, 12, 10, 12, 14. Slide to 18 again, back. 12, 10, so. And then D string, 14, 12, 10. That's with the huge whammy bar. All right, there we go. So just practice the beginning of Painkiller and go through the solo of Afterlife. And we'll go through that solo quite a bit over these next few weeks. So there's that. We'll get through Painkiller solo next week. And see you then. And have fun practicing.